Good morning, students. Let us know about our lungs. Lungs are very important organs of our body. They are present on either side in our chest cavity. Let us know about these lungs.
When we observe the structure of the lungs, right lung is made up of 3 lobes, whereas left lung is made up of just 2 lobes. It is slightly smaller. In the middle, we can see a windpipe, trachea, cartilaginous structure, which is again divided into 2 branches called bronchi, and again still divided into branch structure called bronchioles, which are opened into alveolus air sacs, where gases exchange takes place. From the body, the carbon dioxide is released into the alveolus, and alveolus is providing oxygen into the bloodstream. So we can see when the structure, these lungs are very delicate and elastic, highly spongy structure. They are covered with pleura, which protects the lungs. My dear students, an important organ which supports the lungs, which is responsible for the movement, is called diaphragm. It's a muscular structure because of the lungs moves. Okay. Welcome to the biology class. Today we will learn about the structure of the lungs. Lungs are very important organs of our body, which are helpful in the process of respiration. First of all, we will learn about the structure of the lungs. When we see the lungs are two structures which are present inside our chest cavity. These lungs, my dear students, they are helpful to take air from the outside of the body through nose, nostrils, external nostrils, internal nostrils. The air will enter to the trachea or windpipe. From windpipe, the air will enter to the bronchi or bronchus. From the bronchus, the still branches are divided. From that, they will enter into the air sacs or alveolus. So, in a whole, when we learn about the structure of the lungs, two lungs are covered with a membrane that is called pleura or pleural membrane, we say. And this pleural membrane contains some fluid which protects the lungs from external injury. So now the lungs, in this scenario, the disease which we are going to affected, we are having a lot of problem, COVID-19, my dear student, that is also mainly it is targeting these lungs. Actually, this is associated with SARS virus. The SARS, what is the full form of SARS? Severe acute respiratory syndrome. The virus will affect these lungs, and as a result, the lungs will fail in functioning. So when we see the parts larynx, tracheae, bronchus, bronchiole, right lung and left lung. When we see compare the size, the right lung is somewhat larger than the left lung. So we'll see this structure in depth